YouTube is constantly changing and evolving its algorithm, making it challenging for creators to keep up with the latest trends and best practices. But now there is a new player in town that's making waves and shaking up things: ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model that was designed to engage in human-like conversations, but it's also having a major impact on YouTube's algorithm. Now coming to this game-changing question that how exactly is ChatGPT changing YouTube's algorithm? Well, it starts with the way creators title and tag their videos. ChatGPT is able to analyze the content of a video and suggest relevant keywords and phrases that can help improve its visibility in search results. This means that creators who use ChatGPT's keyword suggestions could see a significant increase in views and engagements. It's pretty cool, but that's not all. This AI tool is also helping creators improve their videos' watch time and audience retention. By analyzing the content of a video, ChatGPT can suggest edits and improvements that can help keep viewers engaged and watching for longer. But the impact of this game changer goes beyond just individual videos. It's also helping YouTube improve its recommendation algorithm. Also, by analyzing the content of millions of videos and user interactions, ChatGPT is able to suggest changes and improvements to the recommendation algorithm that can help surface more relevant and engaging content for users. This means that users are more likely to discover new creators and videos that they'll enjoy, which can help boost engagement and watch time across the platform. One of the greatest features of this AI tool is that it can also help YouTube understand the sentiment and emotion tone of a video, which can be an important factor in determining its relevance for certain viewers. For example, if a video contains a lot of negative or controversial content, ChatGPT can flag it as a potential harmful or offensive content and adjust its recommendations accordingly. So, with all this being said, what does this all mean for YouTube creators? Well, there's never been a great time to experiment with new content and try new things. With ChatGPT's help, creators can optimize their videos and improve their chance of success. But it is important that you should remember that success on YouTube isn't just about views and engagements. It's about creating contents that are unique, entertaining, and resonates with your audience. So, if you watched the video until now, make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button as well. That would mean a lot to me. So while ChatGPT can certainly help improve your chances of succeeding, it's ultimately up to you as a creator to connect with your audience and build a community around your content. Some people are concerned that using this AI tool on Instagram or even on YouTube is cheating or taking away from the authenticity of the platforms. But also others argue that this AI tool is a game changer for Instagram or either YouTube, and it can save time and effort, allowing us to focus on other aspects of our lives and businesses. So let's take a look at some examples of ChatGPT in action on Instagram and on YouTube. Here are a few posts and videos that were generated using ChatGPT. As you can see, these videos and posts are well written and engaging, but are they truly authentic? What does the future hold for this AI tool on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms? Will it become more prevalent, or will users start to reject it in favor of creating their own content? Only time will tell. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about how ChatGPT is changing Instagram, YouTube, and other social media platforms. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And let me know in the comment section, what do you think about ChatGPT on social media platforms? Is it a game changer, or is it taking away from the authenticity of the platform? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.